Have you ever wondered why you can't stop scrolling? Why your brain craves that next notification, the next dopamine hit? Today we are going to discuss a very important concept and we are combining both of them. First is the modern concept of dopamine detox and second is the Sigmund Freud's theory of id. Once you get this basic understanding, your understanding about distraction will totally change. Let's start with what dopamine detox teaches us. It says that the world is literally designed to steal your focus. Every app, notification, or that autoplay feature that you use, everything is just engineered in a way that hijacks your focus. But here's where Freud comes in. Over a century back, he has already described something which is called as id, and this is the primitive and the primal part of your psyche, which works on the pleasure principle. The id wants what it wants and it wants it now. No delayed gratification, no waiting, no patience, just immediate pleasure. In the modern world, it is designed in such a manner that it has created playground for one's id. Mobile games, streaming platforms, social media, everyone just wants to hijack your focus and steal the most powerful tool that one has as a human being. Now, dopamine detox also emphasizes on a very crucial point, which is to have a structured morning routine and to set your priority task list. Coming from personal experience, this works phenomenally well. First, let us understand why does this work. Freud gave another term which is called as the ego. Ego is the structured, rational and organized part of your mind that mediates between its impulses and reality. Let's say your id says check Instagram now, but your ego says when it is properly trained. Mind you, when your ego is properly trained, it says we already have 3 high priority task lists and social media comes after we complete our first task. So when you have a structured morning routine, you are essentially training your brain to let the ego control your impulses. You are strengthening ego's control over its impulses and developing what psychologists call as executive function, which is the ability to plan, prioritize, and resist impulses. Every time you follow your task list, you are proving your brain that delayed gratification leads to bigger rewards. And what are the rewards? These are completed projects, real accomplishments, and genuine success. On this very point, I want to quote a line from Dopamine Detox, which author has written. It goes by, excitement does not mean fulfillment. I'll repeat that. Hold on. Excitement does not mean fulfillment. Stay with the line. Pause the video. Here's where it gets practical. Dopamine detox tells us to add frictions to our distractions. Delete apps, turn off notifications, or keep the phone in another room. Understand id as a child. The child constantly wants to grab candy if it is kept on the counter. But if the same candy is kept on a high shelf and in a locked cabinet, the child is likely to think that it needs too much effort and that the candy is not worth the effort. Here's the deeper insight. Freud, over 100 years back, understood that Id is just not interested in your long term well being. It wants pleasure and it wants it now. The network in the brain which craves dopamine is a primitive brain structure in which the immediate gratification was necessary for survival. In the age when eat the food now or you might not find it later was important. But we don't live in that era anymore. Dopamine detox is essentially a strategy to strengthen your ego's control over its impulses, which is constantly being overstimulated in the modern world. You are training your rational part of your brain to grab a control on your impulsive part of the brain. So, the next time you feel the urge to check your phone, to open that app and break your focus, think about what it is. It is your id wanting its pleasure and it wants it now. But now, what is different is that you have a choice. Your ego can step in and say, not now. We already have several priority tasks listed. Building your morning routine, having a structured, prioritized task list, and removing distractions or adding friction to your distractions aren't just productivity hacks. They are the psychological strategies that work with fundamental architecture of your brain, which Freud understood over a century back. Your focus is your superpower and don't let anyone or your own id steal it away from you. Reclaim your focus, master your id, strengthen your ego, and reclaim your focus again. And if this perspective of connecting Freud's psychology with modern dopamine science shifted something for you and gave you a new lens to understand your own behavior, I would love to hear about it in the comment section below. If you found this valuable, consider subscribing so we can continue this journey of understanding ourselves better together. Because in the end of the day, understanding why we do what we do is important, and it becomes important because that's the first step to doing better. See you in the next one.